Earth has been around for billions of years. But how haven't we run out of water yet? The answer to that question is the water cycle. Evaporation, condensation, and precipitation are on my mind. It's the water cycle and it happens all the time.
What is the water cycle? The existence and movement of all of Earth's water. Earth's water is always changing what state of matter it's in. It goes from liquid to a gas to a solid over and over again as the water moves from the surface to the atmosphere over and over again.
The first part of this process is evaporation. This can happen anywhere where there's water on the surface, like a pool, lake, puddle, or ocean. Let's take a look at the ocean because that's where most of the water on Earth is, 97% if we're going to be fancy about it. The water in the ocean is mostly liquid, so when the sun shines on it, evaporation occurs. This is whenever water changes from its liquid state to its gaseous state and becomes water vapor.
Sometimes these droplets can be absorbed by soil and used by plants, where they're turned into a gas by the leaves in a process called transpiration. Transpiration is the process of plants taking water into their roots, transporting the water throughout the plant's tissues, and releasing it as water vapor.
Ice and snow can also become water vapor by a process called sublimation. This is when a substance goes directly from a solid to a gaseous state, completely skipping the liquid phase.
This water vapor rises into the atmosphere, which is much colder than it is on the surface. Because of this, water vapor can undergo condensation and condense into clouds. Inside these clouds, water droplets form.
Once these water droplets form, they can be returned to the surface when it rains or snows. It'll fall to the ground and the process will start all over again.
So how does climate change have an impact on the water cycle? Climate change causes the increase of extreme weather events such as heavy rain, hurricanes, and droughts, which can impact our water resources. This can affect everything from natural ecosystems and agriculture to our economy and energy production.
So what's the importance behind taking care of our water resources? Well, as humans, we use water in our everyday lives. We simply can't live without water. In many cases, though, our water sources are being used up because of pollution, an increase in population, or land use. This depletes our water supply and gets in the way of Earth's natural cycle.
Thanks for tuning into our video. For more information or activities relating to renewable energy resources, please check out our website, empowerengenvironmentaleducation.org. Thank you!